Okay, I'm Raff Poltronieri and a cloud solution architect. Today we'll be discussing vSphere 6.7. Okay, our main use case of vSphere as a layer, the lower layer of a cloud service provider. So it's the basis to offer our services through the Cloud Director to our customers. Well, the most valued feature of vSphere, and talking of vSphere 6.7, I think that the best is HTML5. And I found it very awesome because it speeded up all daily operations, so it was great. Oh, well, the feature I talked about as a HTML5 is valuable in a measure of time saved day by day, and reliable and stability and easy, much more easy than the previous version. The built-in feature has encryption, but not only, even the TFML module 2.0 included. They are good, but still not useful for us, just because we don't have so high requests for this. All the mission critical applications, I have to say that more or less are all critical applications, just because that vCenter keeps all the virtual machines of our customers, and we don't know what's on that virtual machine. So for us, every one of them, not knowing what is inside, is critical. And this is for the vSphere used for resources. For the vSphere that we use for management, the critical ones are the infrastructure ones, so the one that keep the infrastructure working. So from the basis to the vCenter itself, to the Cloud Director, NSX, and so on. So all that machines are critical in the measure that they keep the system working. vSphere, I think that vSphere now it's even simpler. It was simple even before, but passing through the HTML5 interface, and as I say, 90% of all the features are on HTML5 now. As told before, it's even more easy than the previous ones. 6.5 still was, because it already had HTML5, but not 90%, not 100%. Just tested. Okay, the stability of vSphere, I think that it reached a good point, and now I can say that, especially without the Flash and the so-called Flex client with this HTML5, it's much more stable as it was before. And I have to say that previously we used the vCenter on Windows, adopting now the VCSA, it's much more faster and stable. About scalability, vSphere is much more simple to scale as before, thanks to VCSA instead of the, let's say, monolithic installation on VMware. We use the support of VMware, and I have to say that we use it quite often, but not because the product is bad, just only because we have so many customers. We are talking about 5,000 of virtual machines, so it's statistically probable to access the support. And I have to say that that support is really great. A slight improvement could be done on the interface of the management VCSA, so that the one that is answered on the port 5480. So that kind of interfaces, graphical interface could be improved, but it's not the main point. When we choose VMware, of course we even check it other vendors like Microsoft, because it's present everywhere, and even the open source, so KVM, but Microsoft we decided Microsoft wasn't an enterprise stage, and the open source one was nice to use, but since no support, it wasn't available. It wasn't suitable to offer to our customers. So we didn't have any doubt choosing VMware. A rating for vSphere, for the vSphere 607, I can give you an 8. Okay, let's say that 10 is perfection, so I more or less never give 10 because people can improve. And 8, not 9, because I still don't have the complete control of the interface.